How to fix Gboard new emojis not showing. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application and make sure that you have installed the Gboard or the Google Keyboard application on your device. Next, go back and launch the settings application of your device. Here, what you simply need to do is scroll down and tap on additional settings. And as you tap on additional settings, tap on languages and input. Here, tap on current keyboard and make sure that you select Gboard, and then tap on manage keyboards and make sure to toggle on the option of Gboard over here. As you do that, you can go back to your settings again and then tap on apps and then tap on manage apps, and here on the search bar just search for Gboard over here. So as you search for it, tap on it and then tap on clear data option over here, and then as you tap on it, you can get the option of clear cache. So tap on clear cache and tap on OK, and make sure that you have given access to all the required options over here as you go to the app permissions. So just give that access and then relaunch Gboard, and this might help you fix the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.